Welcome to Oscar Barnett's Toys family. Jack in the Box and I have been having a nice conversation. Haven't we, Jack?
Yes, we have. Hello, everybody.
Eh? Did you hear that, Jack?
Yes, I did, Leo.
It sounded like a car horn. Yes. That's odd. Now I've heard something even odder. A car engine. But cars don't drive in bedrooms. Cars drive outside, on the road.
I know, Leo. This is very puzzling.
How could there be a car driving in this bedroom? This is very strange. Ah, here's the perfect parking spot. What? Ow! Oh! Oh! Huh? Whoops! Oh! Sorry, Leo. I didn't see you there. Are you alright?
Yes, but I'm squashed. Could you roll forward, Tiny, so I can get out? My leg is hurting a lot.
Of course, Leo. Hold on a minute. Oh! Ow! 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 Oh! There. I'm out. There we are. All parked up. I'm so sorry, Leo. That's alright, Tiny. My leg won't be sore for long. Ooh. Hey! I didn't know you had a car, Tiny.
Neither did I.
Oh, yes. I've only just got it. It's my new car. I love the red paintwork.
And I love how shiny it is.
Oh, yes. Well, I was taking the car out for a test run just now, and I thought before I do that, I'd better give it a quick polish. Well, you've done a grand job on that, Tiny. I can see my face on that bonnet. And I can see my face on the bonnet as well. I'm very happy you two like my car. I'm very proud of it. So you should be, Tiny. But I didn't know you could drive.
Me neither.
Well, we toys can drive, but we just don't know it until we try it. That's what I discovered when I first drove this car. But I know one thing. You aren't the carefulest of drivers. Oh, yes. Again, sorry, Leo. It's all right. At least you know to be more careful in future. Would you like to see me take the car out for a drive? Oh, yes, please. We'd love to see you driving your car. Wouldn't we, Jack?
Yes, we would.
All righty then. Engine on. And off we go! Oh. Oh dear. That doesn't sound good. Oh! Uh-oh. Looks like something's wrong. Hang on, Tiny. I'm coming.
What's the matter?
Oh, I don't know, Leo. She just stopped. Let's have a look. And then we can see what the problem is. No? Everything looks alright in here. In that case, it must be the bonnet. Let's see now. Can you see anything, Tiny? No.
Hello, you two. What's going on here? Ow! Oh, eh? What the? Who put that car there? I did, Simon. And now I need help getting out of this bonnet. Oh dear. Sorry, Tiny.
Yeah, be careful, Simon. Hold on, Tiny. I'll get you out of there.
1, 2, 3. Oh, are you two okay?
Yes, Simon. We're fine.
Now, Tiny, why did you put the car there?
Because, Simon, it's my car, and it's spluttered to a stop.
Oh, I didn't know you had a car.
Yes, I only just got it.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that it spluttered to a stop when you first got it. Hold on, I'll see what's wrong with it. I might be able to help you.
That'll be very kind, Simon.
Ah, yes. I see what the problem is.
You do? Well, tell us, Simon. What's the matter with my car?
There's a loose cable in there.
Oh. I wonder if I can fix that. Oh, there it is. Now, I just need to reattach that cable. And then your car will be up and running in no time, Tiny. Oh my goodness!
Are you alright, Leo?
Yes, I'm fine. Well, I've reattached the cable. So your car should be fixed, Tiny. I hope so. I'll start the engine and see if it works. Hooray! You did it, Leo!
Well done!
Oh, it was nothing. And you should really thank Simon. He found the problem. In that case, Simon, you should drive my car.
Oh, no. Leo should be driving the car. He fixed it.
Oh, well. Oh, all right then.
Oh, it's a bit small for me. Oh.
Well, I'm in. Now, how do you start it, Tiny? Well, the engine is on, so to make it go, you pull that lever there. This one here.
Wah! Ow! Oh, ouch!
Woo! Whoops! Oh dear! Oh! I think I should leave the driving to you, Tiny. Thanks for stopping by the Toys family. We'll see you soon. Bye.